Hi, I'm Redken artist Carrie Bales, Backstage Fashion Week, and we're seeing some really cool hair trends on the runway. Let's send it back to the studio so we can learn how to take these looks from the runway to reality.
Hi, I'm Medina, and I'd like to share with you some of the hot trends that are happening here at New York City on the runway. I want to show you how to do a knotted braid. I'm starting with second day hair, so of course I'm going to want to use the Pillow-Proof 2-Day Extender. It's a dry shampoo, so it gets the oils out and refreshes the hair. Now to revive these ends, I'm going to use the Wax Blast. It's a spray wax. It's gonna give it a little bit of grip, so when we go to tie those knots, they stay in really good. Now, I'm gonna go in, and we're gonna create just a section through the top of the head. Grab that section, and split it into two. Tie it in a knot. Now continue to add pieces from both sides. I'm going to continue knotting and pulling pieces from each side. Now that I'm done doing the knots, I'm going to go ahead and secure it with just a small elastic. Also, today I'd like to keep it interesting, so I'm going to put a piece of fabric around it. We'll go back in with some Wax Blast 10 just to spray around the edges to take down any kind of flyaways that might be there. And then take my hands and rake my hands through to smooth anything down and to get out any ridges that might be happening. So give it a nice tug and a pull. I'm gonna go ahead and spin it around and start pulling on those knots just to loosen them up. Now that's a fresh take on a braid happening right here at New York Fashion Week.